Today's cake is going to be for a young lad, and the theme of the cake is the space themed cake. So let me quickly get on with the fondant toppers, and then we are going to start off with the cake. The cake is a vanilla sponge cake. So let's get started. The toppers are ready. Now I'm going to start off with the cake. The sponge, this is the vanilla sponge. I'm going to keep some space in the front in order to write the name. The whipped cream has been whipped perfectly. And now I'm going to start off with this cake. So let's begin. The crumb coating has been done, and now I'm going to place this cake into the fridge for about an hour or maybe just half an hour, and then I'm going to give the final coat. Out comes the cake from the fridge to get its final coat, and then the decoration. cake rest in the fridge again because my client postponed the time for receiving the cake. And here now I'm going to start off with the decoration, putting the fondant toppers, and it's about 15 minutes before they arrive. Hope this video was informative as well as entertaining. If you have any queries or doubts regarding it, you do write to me in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you as soon as possible. And another request, please share it with your friends and relatives and give a thumbs up for this video. Hope to see you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.